Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by producing a development certificate and trusting it locally so browsers accept HTTPS. First, run OpenSSL or MKCert to generate a private key and certificate pair. Store the key securely and output a PEM or CRT file for your server. Next, add that certificate to your operating system or browser trust store so TLS warnings vanish. Once done, confirm the certificate shows as trusted in the Certificate Manager before pointing your dev server at those files. Now connect your server to the certificate and key files. In Node, Python, or your chosen runtime, set the HTTPS options to use the key insert, then bind to 127.0.0.1 or localhost and a non-privileged port like 3000. Make sure CORS and allowed origins include your dev host and open the port in any local firewall. If you want multiple names, use a CA from MKCert to issue certs for MyApp. Test or other local domains, then restart the server to apply TLS. Finish by verifying the site loads at HTTPS and checking the certificate chain in the browser's security panel. Test API calls and mixed content warnings. Make sure all resources load over HTTPS. If you see security errors, clear HSDS and the browser cache or remove the old certificate and re-import the new CA. If nothing else works, recreate the certificate and retrust it, then restart the browser and development server. This simple recreate and retrust step solves most local HTTPS issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.